Welcome student. Today's topic we are going to discuss about capacitor. Capacitor is nothing but two conductors, charged conductors plus Q and minus Q. Plus Q and minus Q separated by a small distance and separated by small distance and dielectric in between. Dielectric in between both the charged plates. So the dielectric may be vacuum, oil or air, something etc. So the purpose of this capacitor, this arrangement is called capacitor. The purpose of the capacitor is store electrical energy within the dielectric. So capacitance, how we can define what is capacitance? Capacitance is given by capacitance is equal to charge by potential difference between these two plates. This portion we will prove it later. So capacitance of a conductor is a measure or ability of a conductor to store charge in the dielectric. Okay, and now we can say Q is equal to capacitor is equal to Q by V, that is charge by potential difference between these two plates, potential and difference between the two plates. So potential difference, how we are defining potential difference? How we define charge is equal to, charge means positive charge of the conductor, this one, not this one, positive, and potential difference is equal to V, or charge potential difference is equal to work done in bringing a charge from infinity to any point. So we can say the capacitor is equal to Q square by W. Now we have to find out what is the unit. The unit of capacitor is equal to charge by volt. Charge that is coulomb per volt. Potential difference is volt, which it is called as farad. The unit of capacitor is farad. Now capacitor is equal to Q square by W, or where Q is equal to charge. So Q is equal to I into T. Why? Because current is equal to charge in a specific time is current. So Q is equal to I into T, or its dimension. The dimension of Q is equal to I means ampere, T means time. So the dimension of Q is equal to ampere into time. Now this we have found out Q. Then what about work done? Work done is equal to force into displacement. Force is equal to Newton into meter. Newton means what? Force means what? Mass into acceleration into meter. Mass is equal to kg meter, acceleration kg meter per second square into meter. Therefore work done is equal to kg meter square into s minus 2, and then work done dimension is equal to kg means L square T minus 2. So work done. So the work done, dimension of work done is equal to L square in T power minus 2. So we have found out work done, everything. So capacitor as it is, we know capacitor is equal to charge by potential difference. So charge, what is the dimension of capacitor? So unit of capacitor is farad. Unit of capacitor farad is equal to capacitor is equal to charge divided by potential is work done by charge is equal to Q square by W. Therefore dimension of capacitance is equal to Q square. Q is equal to A T H square divided by W. W is equal to M L square T minus 2. So adding up, this becomes A ampere square times square divided by M L square T power minus 2. So dimension of capacitance is equal to, we take M first, M power minus 1 into L, when it goes up, L power minus 2 into T, if it is going T power plus 4 into A power. This is the dimension of capacitance. Second thing, what is capacitance? Capacitance also defined as capacitance is equal to, we can define from here, amount of charge required to increase the voltage potential difference by 1 volt. So capacitance can be, capacitance also amount of charge required raise the potential difference between the plates by 1 volt. This is the definitions of capacitance. Now this is a capacitor, means two conductors separated by a small distance. Now this conductor, if a conductor is given a charge, its potential increases. How it increases? And on further charging to maximum value, increase to maximum value. So why we call it a vacuum? Because potential is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into charge by R. The charge is given here. So these are constant. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is a constant. R is the radius of the conductor, which is fixed constant. So potential is directly proportional to charge. It means we can say the charge given, the charge is proportional to potential. Charge, it means charge. The more and more charge is given, more and more potential. Or we can write charge is, or this also we can write charge is proportional to voltage. How much this is increasing, this will also increase that much. Or we can say Q is proportional to V, or Q is equal to some constant into V. The constant is called C, where C is equal to capacitance of the capacitor. Capacitor is the arrangement and capacitor is parameter. Capacitor. So it means we can say Q charge C V, or C is equal to Q by V. So we can define capacitance charge per unit potential, So we can define capacitance, the amount of charge required to increase its potential by 1 volt, that is called the capacitance. The capacitance, we call it, is the amount of charge required to increase its potential by 1 volt is its charge. And this capacitance, it is always in farad. So where V is the potential difference between these two conductors. Suppose this is given plus Q, this will be given minus Q, because I am attaching to a battery to it. This is a charge given to this conductor separated by a dielectric insulating medium. Capacitor is always positive value. Why? Because the charge on the capacitor means charge on the positive plate. That's why capacitor is always positive.